Welcome to today's Minute Mastery. I'm excited to show you a powerful yet easy-to-use feature in Alta Video, the Map View. Once you log in, simply click on Map View to bring up your floor plan, displaying all your cameras, sensors, access control items, and even the real-time locations of people and vehicles at your site. There's also a handy heat map feature. By selecting Heat Map and choosing People, you can see traffic patterns and movement throughout your location, a great tool for various use cases. The same applies to vehicles, allowing you to monitor traffic flow with ease. Additionally, you can click on any camera to view its feed and, with a quick search, identify all individuals captured in that view. That's all for today. If there's something specific you'd like to see on Minute Mastery, feel free to comment below.